Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome protocol Maximus Traffic, which is a 3-step system that allows new and experienced affiliate to step up their products and offers with access to the world's largest affiliate database, done for you funnels, and a completely automated lead generation process at a low discounted price and earn huge commissions. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 10 amazing bonuses totally free worth rupees $1500 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Okay, this is the demo and overview video of Maximus Traffic. I'm making this so you understand exactly what you're getting with the Maximus Traffic system. And we're in the members area and we're on the dashboard, and it starts out with this welcome video, and it's very important that you watch this welcome video because it has some important information that you're going to need to set up the Maximus Traffic system. And down below that video are the different steps. And the first step is where you can register for a live training call. It's by Jonah Armstrong and his Ministry of Freedom, and he shows you how to make 10K a month in 60 days or less. So if you're interested in that, you can get access to it by clicking this button here. And down below that is where you can get access to the remixable software, and it gives you the ability to resell 50 times other software tools. So if you want to sell your own programs, that's the program to get. And you can get access to that by clicking this button right here. And down below that is the core Maximus Traffic softwares. Now this is on the front end. You get access to 4 different softwares. You get CB250, which gets you ClickBank offers. You get Maximus, which is your done-for-you funnels. And then you get Push Pro and Instant Push Pages. This is where you get your traffic. So anyway, in order to set those up, you scroll down here and then it shows you how to register your softwares, because there's 4 different softwares, and you can get access to the registration links right here. And then down below that, this is where you access the softwares after you've registered them. You can get access to the softwares by clicking this button here. And if I scroll down, here is the demo and training videos. And some of them are done by me and some of them are done by my partner Chris. So it's very recommended that you watch these training videos in their entirety. And down below video 2 on the training section are some important tools, and it's very recommended that you have these tools. If you don't have them, we give you access to them in these links right here. And down below that is the training for the CB250 software, and you can also get access to the CB250 login by clicking this button here. And down below that is the Maximus training, and you can get access to the Maximus login right here. So you can get access to Maximus by clicking this button here. And down below that is the Maximus Part 2. It teaches you how to edit your Maximus done-for-you funnels. And down below that are some more important links. And down below that video is where you can get the training for the Push Pro software, and you can also log into Push Pro right here. And down below that is where you have the Instant Push Pages training video, and you can get access to the Instant Push Pages software right here. And down here is another demo and overview video of the Maximus Traffic system. So it's very recommended that you watch that. And then down below that is where you can upgrade if you haven't already done so. These are the different upgrades. And then here are your bonuses. You get email marketing video training course, and you get affiliate marketing video training course. And here's where you can submit a support ticket. So that's the members area of Maximus Traffic. So now you know exactly what you're getting with Maximus Traffic. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.